How do I find last year's AGI in Credit Karma Tax Online? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to creditkarma.com. On this web page, you want to click on the login option, then enter your email ID. After that, enter your password and then click on the login option. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to locate your previous year's tax return. Your AGI should be listed on the form. In case you have filed a paper tax return last year, your AGI should be on line 11 on Form 1040, line 38 on Form 1040A, or line 4 on Form 1040EZ. If you filed your taxes electronically last year, you may have a copy of your return saved on your computer or in your email. Open the return and look for your AGI. You can also retrieve your previous year's AGI from your IRS Online account. The IRS offers a service called Get Transcript Online, where you can view and download your previous year's tax transcript, which includes your AGI. You will need to create an account or log in to access this information. If you are unable to find your previous year's AGI through any of the methods, you can contact the IRS directly. You can either call them or click on the Contact Us option on the IRS website, or you can also contact the customer support of Credit Karma. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.